Want a whiter smile? Without breaking the bank or damaging your enamel? You're in the right place. Let's uncover 5 dentist-approved, all-natural ways to whiten your teeth at home. Number 1. The classic, baking soda and water. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water, and gently brush for 1 minute. It's mildly abrasive, so don't overdo it. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Number 2. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Swish 1 tablespoon in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, minutes. It might sound weird, but it's been used for centuries to remove bacteria and brighten teeth. Number 3. A sweet twist, strawberry and baking soda paste. Crush 1 ripe strawberry, mix with half a teaspoon of baking soda, brush gently, and rinse well. Strawberries contain malic acid that helps lift stains, naturally. Number 4. Diluted hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water. Swish it like mouthwash for 30 seconds, then rinse. Use with caution and never swallow. Number 5. Activated charcoal. This trendy black powder binds to surface stains and removes toxins. But be gentle, it's powerful stuff. Brush no more than twice a week. Important reminder, these methods help with surface stains only. They're not a replacement for professional care. Always check with your dentist before starting anything new. Did you learn something new today? Hit that like button and subscribe for more smile-friendly tips, straight from Healthy Teeth TV. Your smile deserves it.